We'll see it because there are a couple of words that I want you to know. And I want you to be aware of it when it comes up and when we talk about it in this story. Who can tell me these two words? Community and transportation. So this story, this is what we're about to do first. We are going to be talking about some things that deal with community and transportation. And when you see that, just raise your hand, thumbs up, or what have you. When you see something that's related to community or transportation. Do we know what transportation is? Giselle. From one place to another. That's how you travel from one place to another. Community. Bernardo. Yes, it's like a group of people. Like our class. We could be considered a community. Huh? What did she say? Holding hands. A lot of times. Oh, kind of like a neighborhood or something like that. Your school could be considered your community or your neighborhood. Okay, I'm going to go through these pictures, and you can this is kind of going to give you a hint or an idea of what we're going to be reading about and talking about. See this man? He's fishing or something, huh? And if you see something in common with these pictures, I want you to bring that out. I want you to raise your hand and let me know. So you got to give yourself an idea of what we're going to be reading about. So what do you see with this? He's transporting. What is he on? Some kind of boat, ski, sailboat or something. Not quite a sailboat, but I thought not a hang glider because that's in the sky, but hang glider for the water, we'll put it that way. Something dealing with the water. There's another picture. Community. How do you see transportation in this? The earth moves. Okay, we'll see. This right here. Community. What else do you all kind of see in there?
Transportation.
And it doesn't have to be just those two words. You can tell me what you see. I'm going to turn it this way. Nature. That's a good one. Earth. Waterfall. Cave. Mountains. Good one.
A bridge.
A bridge. What is this? Does anybody know what this body of land is called? An island. What is an island? Land that is surrounded by water. What's the transportation? Walking and what else? Okay, this desert. Is the desert hot, cold? Hot. What does she look like? Cold. Okay. So remember some of those things that you just said and thought of. Those pictures go with this booklet, The Places Where We Live. As we're reading, I want you all to keep in mind the things that we're reading because we are going to be doing an activity on this. A community is a place where people live, work, and have fun together. A community's location, climate, and resources affect the people who live there. In cold climates, for example, people learn to stay warm. How do they stay warm? By the clothes that they wear. There were not many roads in the past. Rivers were often used for transportation, like what we saw in the cards, or carrying things or people from place to place. farmers, they settled near the rivers so that they could use the water for their crops. Because if they were far away from it, do you think they would be able to get to the water? They would have a hard time transporting it, getting it to them. Some people live on islands. An island is land that is surrounded by water. So you were right, guys. Some islands are connected to other lands by bridges. Some islands can be